How to get best U-Haul discount promo codes. In this very quick video, I'm going to show you how or where you can get the best U-Haul discount promo codes. So first things first, before you head straight into U-Haul's official website and use a code, you're going to have to pull up your preferred web browser, but in this video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Now head straight into the website that's going to be simplycodes.com, which is this one, and then head straight to search any store. So once you're here, type in U-Haul. So as you can see, there are zero codes available, but you just have to click that. And then you have yourself a lot of codes that you can choose right here. These specific codes was just recently used 3 hours ago, 6 hours, five, and so on and so forth. For you to use the code is, of course, to click the option here that says show code, copy it, and then paste it into U-Haul onto your payment tab. And that's it. That's how you get best U-Haul discount promo codes.